Are you a tech and gadget lover? Yes, I am. I love shopping for new gadgets. What is an important technological advancement you know? That's the emergence of online payment systems like credit cards or PayPal thanks to the development of the internet, I think. What do you use it for? I use these services to do shopping online. Now I can book flight tickets in advance without the need to go to the agency. How long have you been using it? I've been using these services for around 3 years. Does it make your life easier? Sure. It's fast, simple and convenient. How did it change your life? Well, I can enjoy my life more. I can do plenty of things online like shopping, transferring money, booking tickets, and so on. How often do you use it? At least once a week. What are other technological advancements you know? There are many: electricity, smartphone, the internet, robot, and so on.